Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is CBQ 5 and 7. I repeat again, CBQ, that means competency based questions 5 and 7. Our today's lecture number 18 and HW number also 18. I repeat again, today's lecture number is 18 and HW number is also 18. Let's start our discussion. Class 5, lecture number 18, HW number 18, topic CBQ 5, 7. CBQ 5. Write 5 sentences about your daily morning activities considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and activity sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. The points are: what time do you get up? Second one, how many activities do you perform in the morning? And the last point is, what time does each activity begin? So these three are the points. You have to write your answer following these 3 points. Answer: I get up early in the morning at 5 a.m. I perform 3 activities in the morning. My first activity starts at 5:30 a.m. and ends at 6:30 a.m. My second activity starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 7:30 a.m. My third activity starts at 7:45 a.m. and ends at 8:15 a.m. So these are the 3 activities that I perform every day. Dear students, you will write your own activities. Okay, what activities you do in your morning, you will write down individually and mentioning your activities. Okay. Now the second, CBQ number 7. Here is a schedule of different activities in the following table. Write 5 sentences using the names of the days of the week when you will do these activities. Friday is the last day. That means when you will do the activities on a particular day, you will mention in your answer. Days of the week, activities. This is the table. First day, look after garden. Third day, clean my room. Fourth day, swimming practice. Fifth day, football practice. Sixth day, drawing practice. If you notice the table very clearly, you will find out that first day. What is the first day of the week? Here is in the question, it is mentioned that Friday is the last day. So the first day of week is Saturday. And again the activities of third day. Third day means Monday. And fourth day means Tuesday. Fifth day means Wednesday, and sixth day means Thursday. So you will mention the activities on the particular day in your answer. Let's start. Answer: the first day, that means on Saturday I will look after my garden. Then on third day, that means on Monday I will clean my room. Next, fourth day, that means On Tuesday, I will practice swimming. On 5th day, that means on Wednesday, I will practice football. And the last one, 6th day, that means on Thursday, I will practice drawing. So this is the answer of CBQ number 7. This is very much easy. You can also mention here your particular activities you do on every day, on every mentioned day on the table. Okay, so dear students, I hope that all of you have understood today's class very well. If you face any problem in understanding the question or answers, please contact me. This is my contact number and here is my messenger. You can contact me through both the mediums. Okay, your homework number 18 will be CBQ number 5. I repeat again, your homework number 18 is CBQ number 5. Submit your HW copy on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. Study regularly at home, abide by your parents and stay healthy. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.